Hi my loves! So today I'm back with a semi-simple get ready with me video. It's raining and it's cold outside and I just want to get out of the house, so Jay and I are just going to go on a little mini date and have some dinner. I'm starting off with brushing through my hair. It is super bright right now because I just got it done. So once I've combed through those tangles, I'm going to part my hair like I normally do. Start with the lower section first, and this time I'm taking a 1-inch curling iron and I'm taking about between 2 to 3 inch sections. So normally I like to have the sections really small, but this time I'm just doing a really quick look. This is not going to take long. It probably takes me maybe about 10-15 minutes to curl, especially with this curling iron and using such large sections. And this is only so I can get some curl in my hair, not to actually be able to mold any curls. And as usual, once I'm done with the back, I like to part the sides, and then I like to go on to the back. Like here, I'm taking this as like a 3 to 4 inch section and using this curling iron to curl this whole piece. Then moving on to my bangs, I'm just curling my bangs in the direction where I'd like my wave to go. This is so much easier when you use a larger curling iron and use bigger sections. So this is what your hair should look like. And as I take a little break from getting ready, I'm just going to play this new game that I've kind of been hooked on called Lost Island. And it's basically an island that you restore. So you know me, I love interior design or exterior design. So before I created this island, it was a complete mess. And when you don't have enough stars, all you have to do is play these blast puzzles. There's hundreds of levels. By playing these blast games, you'll be able to unlock decorations, fix the pool, repair historical sites, and get the island ready for different visitors. And so far the storyline of this game is the island is haunted. So as you keep going through each quest, you'll get different hints as to what's going on, and you'll reveal different artifacts that can get closer to uncovering the puzzle. So be sure to download Lost Island for free from my links in the description box below to support my channel and get 7 lives and 700 coins. These coins can be used for boosters that will help you beat more challenging levels. So download and let's get back to this get ready with me. And now back to makeup. I'm taking my Marc Jacobs primer and applying that all over my face to prime it for foundation. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 210 and applying that with my Real Techniques sponge. And my face, for some reason, is really red in this video. I think I had the saturation turned up a little bit too much. I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to set my whole face with this powder. I normally don't set my eyelids because that's what I use for my eyeshadow primer. However, I'm not going to be applying any eyeshadow today, so I'm setting my whole face, including my eyelids. Now I'm taking my Benefit 3D Brow Gel and just creating my brows. Taking my browsings and using the gel side, I'm going to start shaping my eyebrows. Now I'm taking the powder portion and applying that, and this is going to help blend in my natural brows with this gel. Skipping eyeshadow and moving on to blush, I'm taking my Profusion palette and I'm using the bronzer shade Chic, and I'm going to apply that underneath my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead just because this foundation is a little bit lighter, so I need to make myself appear a little bit more bronzy. Then I'm taking this other shade right below it, and this is more of a peach shade. And once again, I forgot how pigmented it is, so I have a lot of blush that I need to rub off. Going in with my Makeup Revolution palette, highlighter palette, I'm going to use this shade and apply it on my inner corner. This is the only eyeshadow kind of that I'm going to be using, even though it's not eyeshadow. And I'm applying that same color on my cheekbone. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner, and this is just a black eyeliner, and I'm only putting it underneath where my eyelashes are, so I can blend my lashes with my falsies that I'm going to be putting on right now. And then I'm just taking an eyeliner brush and just swooping or blending out that gel a little bit. That Glide On pencil is really, really pigmented. So I gave myself just a tiny little smoked out wing. And I'm taking my mascara and applying that. So it doesn't give me the dramatic look of a wing. It's just going to help blend in these falsies with my real lashes. And these are the Ardell Demi 120 lashes. These are more on the natural side. So as you can see, something I definitely don't do often, but it was raining and I didn't want to go too full out, so this was the look I came up with. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D lip liner. I forgot what shade it is, I think Hawkwind, but I'll link it down below. And then I'm taking this Perry's Ink Velvet lipstick, and it's basically like a liquid lipstick or a tint, and applying that. It looks a bit orange in this video, but here you can see it's not as saturated like the other clips, and I just absolutely love this. It's not like the bright red that I'm used to wearing. So now moving on to my hair, I'm starting to unpin, and I'm just going to tease the root only because I have product in my roots and I don't want to put any more dry shampoo. When I went to get my hair done, my stylist put some product in my hair when she styled it, so I'm just going to be teasing so it can get rid of that kind of shiny look and add a bit more volume to my hair. So I'm teasing all the way up to the crown, and as usual I am leaving the bangs. Now I'm just going to take my fingers and start running through my hair. Now I'm not going to be molding anything. All I'm doing is making these curls just fluffy, so it's going to be a simple, quick style. And this actually only took me about 5 minutes, 5 to a little short of 10 minutes to style, just because I wasn't trying to mold anything. And I'm just taking this brush and smoothing out any flyaways, then going in and teasing the bangs. I'm not doing like a crazy tease like I normally do, just a subtle one to get a little bit of volume. And this is about the only molding that I'm actually going to be doing on my hair. Just clipping a duckbill clip so it can hold the volume while I tame these curls in the front. Now I'm going to be, normally I just pull back the side and pin it, but now I'm actually going to be really pulling it all the way back just so I can get some volume right here. And then I'm going to just tame these other curls. That way it gives like a soft little sweet look, I guess. And we're going to set this look with some Chi hairspray. And I kid you, I mean at most this look took about 10 minutes because I wasn't doing any molding. All I did was brushing out because I used that 1-inch curling iron. Now for outfit, this is the Naked Wardrobe Feelin' Oh So Tight set. I think everybody needs this set. It is so comfortable. It's leggings, but they're not see-through. It just feels really good against the skin. I mean, it's definitely worth it, and it's only $42. I paired it with this Forever 21 fur, well, wannabe fur coat, but I thought it was really cute because it's just a basic set, and I glammed it up a bit by adding a coat and some heels, but who's gonna want to wear heels in the rain? So I switched to my flats, but it still leaves this outfit looking cute, simple, great for a date night if you don't want to get too dressed up, especially out in the rain. And I know you guys are thinking like, why are you going to be wearing this in the rain? But it's California, so my kind of rain is different from probably your kind of rain. But I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.